To another great episode of Nathan is Tech at Home Show. You're gonna love it. It's me, Nathan. Okay, so I am looking at 1032 here. I'm gonna first scroll down, take a look, see that it's inactive here. I'm gonna activate that first to make sure everything is connecting. I can push codes from the hub to the lock. Activate, exit, perfect. Next tab, connect to homepage or 1032, quick refresh. Go to the schedule, see that Kelsey worked on a while ago. Go to event log, seeing if we have some weird stuff going on, command failed, not great. And then most importantly, I'm gonna go here to the Home Assistant link. First, I'm going to go to Wi-Fi. I'm on the Bright network here. I double check that, move over, open up this link, which I have conveniently located right here because I'm preparing to make a video. Now, this is an important page. All this stuff up here, I would not worry about. The important thing that you want to see is this. On a connected home hub that looks healthy, it should have the Aerotech Z-Wave stick, the little white stick that goes in. That's what deals with the Wi-Fi. That should say ready, that's installed. And over here, they should say lock and it should say ready and have a little icon here. This means we're waiting, it's initializing, it's a probe. We need to get rid of it. So what I'm gonna do is now remove this probe and repair the lock. I do that by going back, double checking the programming code, 7117880. I put that in the lock, and I'm going to go to this. But to do that, I want to remove this node. This is currently acting foul, so I want to get rid of it. I do that by going up here to the menu, going to configuration, going to general. I take that back. Configuration, going to Z-Wave at the bottom, and I'm going to remove the node. So I am going to hit remove node, and that says it's been called over here, but it's going to tell me now that I have done this by going to the event log. If I go over here, it should say that I've told it to remove the node. So I'm not seeing that quite yet. It should say something like remove node called. I'm going to try that again, remove node, see what pops up.
Exit the wireless network.
So you might have heard that, I hope you did. I went to master code 711780, and then I went to 7, which gets to the Wi-Fi options, but instead of going to 1, which is what we usually use to connect it, I hit 3. The reason why it let me exit from this lock being paired is I first hit that remove node button first. So if this went well, I'm going to go back here and see this go away, or do something for that matter. So to get that process started, I'm going to restart the Home Assistant, and then I'll reset this in a moment, but I'm going to see first that this shows up. So it's doing its thing. I do the event log to make sure it's moving. Ask for it to restart. It's not moving quite yet, so it's being a little bit slow. Oh, this is good. See, this is actually what I want. It's a lot more blank. There used to be the evidence that the lock was here and it was initializing as a probe. It said down here, the lock showed up. Now I just have the Z-Wave stick. That means that I'm able to repair the lock using this page. So, good thing. Now, traditionally we've used this different interface to add a lock, but I'm going to show another way to do it that I think is a bit more consistent, and it revolves around the Home Assistant link, which was a page run before the blue page. So go back to the Home Assistant link now. I'm going to go to configuration again, Z-Wave, and then add node secure. This does the exact same thing, but it's a more direct button to click instead of going through the different steps on the add lock page on the connected one. So this does the same thing as this right here. So add secure node. That's going to give me the option to do it. Type in the master code.
Menu mode. Wireless.
Go to 7. Join the wireless network. And we're
completed.
And it said completed. That's neat. That's a good thing. So that should have repaired it. Zach is calling me. I am going to Slack him. Nice. So I told Zach to hush up for a second because I'm being interesting and talking to everybody here. Waiting for this. It says initializing static. It's setting up, doing something. I'm gonna check the event log to see if it tells me anything. It says Z-Wave Entity ID not loaded. I won't be able to make it back up and down. She has a faster route. Well, this is getting complicated. I'm doing. Yeah, we might have to pause our really lovely session together because. Okay, so we're getting there. Something is dynamic and initializing. Something's moving here. This is exciting. Cache load. Maybe we're onto something. I'm not an engineer, but that sounds good. Sounds neat. Oh, restart complete. Z-Wave ready. That's a good thing. Z-Wave start. That's a good thing. It doesn't say Z-Wave failed or ready is a good thing. It means that it has paired. That's what we wanted to happen after a restart. So I go back here. Nice. So nice. Look at that. Ready. Boom. What's up? Nice. Now let's see if it works. This is the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Yes. I'm gonna double check again that we're right here. We're on active. That means I can push codes. H8 code. My lucky number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Boom. Make it last for 10 minutes more. I'm feeling crazy. Oh, that's too long. Don't want that though. Well, heck, we'll give it an hour. Crazy. All right. This is the moment of truth. Event log. Something's happening. Lagging computer. Code requested. Code requested. Code requested. Changing. Something's happening. Sent. Boom! Look at that. Oh, Zach's calling me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's that sound? That works. Let's go. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. More of that